Good morning, it's Monday the 29th of August and this is your daily outlook. The US dollar is under pressure today against its major counterparts as investors speculate the Federal Reserve may announce further monetary easing in their meeting next month. During the Jackson Hole speech on Friday, Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke did not signal a third round of quantitative easing, but he kept all options open by saying that the September's policy meeting would be extended to 2 days. He said that we will witness a solid economic growth by the end of the year, but he also added that the Fed will consider many tools for stimulating the economy if needed. Economic data on Friday also revealed the US gross domestic product in the second quarter grew by 1% up from a previous 0.4% growth. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar edged lower today, falling to 76.49 today from 77.69. Focus now turns to today's pending home sales data. The euro edged higher against the dollar today, gaining 1.5%, hitting 145.48 from 143.28. Versus the Swiss franc, the single currency gained 3.3%, rallying to 117.70 from 113.95. The Australian dollar edged higher after Bernanke's speech eased concerns that US economy may enter recession and boost risk appetite. Against the dollar, the Aussie jumped as high as 106.33 from 104.62. The British pound rose against the greenback, hitting 164.01 from 162.08. The UK gross domestic product showed that the UK economy grew by 0.2% in the second quarter. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices jump to $85.85 a barrel from $82.96. Gold rose to $1,838.42 an ounce from $1,757.09. And silver also edged higher, rising to $41.78 an ounce from $40.08. Now let's have a look at the currencies you should watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 144.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 144.60. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77 with a preference to enter into short positions at 76.95. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 105.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 105.85. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 163.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 163.35, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9830 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9830. Now looking at commodities, we see the oil pivot point is at 82.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 82.90. The gold pivot point is at 1855 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1855. And the silver pivot point is at 42 with a preference to enter into short positions at 42. And on today's calendar, the market movers are the US personal income in July, forecast to gain 0.3%, and US pending home sales in July, forecast to fall 1.3%. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive on Friday with the SP 500 trading up 1.51% and the Dow was up 1.21%. The European bourses were negative, with the FTSE down 0.02%, the DAX was down 0.84%, and the CAC was down 1.01%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.65%, and the Hang Seng was up 1.51%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.